new stuff. Let's just put that away. There we go. Hey friends, a quick tech review for you today. For those who love crispy audio, because I've been having so many issues with my Videomic Pro, so I just decided to take the plunge and upgrade to this, the brand new Rode Videomic NTG. And for those who've been following me for a while, if you're just getting started out with video, then this NTG would actually be my recommended buy. And at the time of making this video, this NTG microphone is at its all-time lowest price on Amazon of £227. So if you want one, follow the link in the video description below and get yours before the price goes back up again. Anyway, let's hook this up quickly and then take a look at all the new features. Do something slightly janky, is it? For those who do want to compare between the Videomic Pro and the NTG, I'll just switch the audio as you're watching this so you can see which is the Pro and which is the NTG. Now firstly, let's cover off the two main reasons why I ended up going for this NTG when I already have a pretty good mic, the Videomic Pro. And the first is the audio connector is meant to be intelligent and detect what you're actually connecting to, because without getting into too much technical detail, cameras are usually using a TRS connection and mobile phones are usually TRRS. But if you want to extend beyond the cable that's on the microphone, well, everyone makes their cables differently. Even TRRS and TRS cables are all completely different. And where I've been trying to extend the length of the cable on my mic so it can mount it above me, it would either work or not work, or it would have a horrible buzz, which you might have actually noticed in a few of my more recent videos. So yeah, that just sucks. And the second issue I had was battery. The Videomic NTG has a built-in rechargeable battery, which is good for around about 30 hours, and you can charge it up whilst it's in use too. But it also detects when your camera switches on and off. So there's no more wasting battery like the Videomic Pro, which I often leave switched on, and I actually spend a lot in batteries from forgetting to switch the mic off when I finish using it. And those two features alone have cost me probably around about £50 in the last couple of months or so, with with battery replacements and with trying out all sorts of different adapters that I needed to use. So I thought it's about time that I fix the actual problem instead of patching over it. Kind of like the car that starts costing you more money, so you decide it's time to actually go and replace the car. Anyway, other cool features are that it has an adjustable volume control on the back of the microphone here, rather than just a switch for plus 20 or minus 10 dB on the back of the Videomic Pro. And another really cool feature is you can record a safety channel on the NTG. So if you're recording and the levels peak because they're too loud, you have a second channel that's recording at a lower volume, which you can use to recover any of that distorted audio. And you can also plug this microphone directly into the computer via that USB-C charging port and immediately upgrade the quality of your mic for video calls or voiceovers. And then there's even the port on the other side that can be used for headphones, so you can use that to monitor your own audio. So what do you think? Does it sound any different? Any better? Hopefully. I don't actually know, since I'll only find out when I'm editing this. I literally did unbox it, put it on the desk and start recording with it. So I will say right now if I think it's any better. And personally, I wasn't actually expecting it to sound any different or any better, because I bought it because of those two features, the rechargeable battery that switches on and off with the camera and that smart TRS/TRRS connection. So if you're having that mass debate that I was having of replacing your Rode Videomic Pro with the Rode Videomic NTG, then I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Of course, like the video if you did, subscribe, share, all of those things. Talk to the next one. Thank you, bye bye.